A year ago, we introduced THEOS, raising the bar. Today, we bring it even one step further with more advanced features. Introducing the DLTX, the next phase of THEOS.
The Deity DLTX is the next exciting release in our line of THEOS devices. It features all the same hardware specs for the DLTX that revolutionized your UHF audio, but now it takes it a step further with the working professional in mind. The DLTX is an intermod-free UHF transmitter capable of being used in most countries. This is because of our global one-band technology, which runs the impressive range of 550 to 960 megahertz. If you're curious about what UHF frequencies are available in your country, we have a dedicated frequency database that is updated anytime the world sees any change. The world of UHF may seem daunting, but we are here to make it easier for you. On top of the unit, you can see the first exciting spec that sets this device apart, the 3-pin LEMO connection. This opens up a whole range of microphone options you may have in your collection. This connection also supports 48-volt phantom power, making the DLTX a competent body pack and boom transmitter, keeping you versatile without the added cost of multiple units.
We have gone beyond just adding phantom power. We have also added an analog limiter to prevent clipping when transmitting.
The DLTX works perfectly with a D2RX receiver and can be mixed and matched with other transmitters. If transmitting signals in problematic environments is a concern of yours, the DLTX can also transmit and record. It can even work as a standalone recorder if you prefer. Depending on your mode, the included microSD is capable of recording dozens of hours of audio. More than likely, you won't ever record enough in one day to fill up a card. The DLTX also features the Deity staples you know and love, like a full-color screen, a CNC aluminium body, and, with Deity branded lithium batteries, a battery life of up to 14 hours. All this allows you to take the unit anywhere and withstand the rigors of shooting. In conjunction with the release of the DLTX, we are also launching 3 new pieces of hardware to get the most out of your new unit. A 3-pin LEMO version of the WLAV Pro, a quick-release boom mount for DLTX transmitters, and finally, the L3 link.
The DLTX has more than just hardware advances. It's completely integrated in our Sidus audio ecosystem and features our new Bit Connectivity 2.0 chip.
The DLTX is fully compatible with the Sidus audio app, which is available on Mac and Android devices. The DLTX features the latest iteration of Bit Connectify 2.0, taking the max amount of devices per phone to 48. You can trigger recordings, sync timecodes, update firmware, and even monitor the DLTX, all using Bluetooth. As long as those devices stay within 75 meters of one another, you'll have full control of those 48 units in your pocket. Sidus Audio is a fantastic way of organizing all your audio devices. It lets you solve problems faster and record more reliable, professional audio.
The next phase of THEOS opens the door to a more efficient workflow. We're excited to see what you will do with the DLTX on your next shoot.